The most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. A good evening to you on this Friday night. We've got fog forming in the area again, as we saw earlier on our sky cams. Visibility though is not at zero. They're a little bit better than that along the coast, about 2 to 4 miles, a little better as you go inland. But the forecast does call for a marine advisory because fog is going to continue to thicken here tonight in spite of winds increasing, and a dense fog advisory in the offshore waters till 11 a.m. So again, we do have some fog around, but not as bad as last night because of the wind. The visibilities will be down to about a mile about 1 a.m. over much of the area, and through 8 o'clock in the morning about 1 to 2 miles compared to 0 to 1 mile this morning. All right, here is the forecast. Short term, we'll see 70s continue all the way through the middle of the night with a pretty good breeze out of the southeast. So temperatures holding steady right up through daybreak with mostly cloudy skies and the fog forming. Low temperatures will be in the upper 60s near Port Aransas and inland, and about 70 at Robstown and 71 here and at the Naval Air Station, with fog, mild and muggy conditions in the morning at 71, humid and windy at noon. This is why we're not going to see any rainfall tomorrow because of the wind. Could be a stray shower, but overall we're going to be dry. Mostly cloudy skies, 78, but 80 at 5 p.m. Warm, humid, and windy. The sun breaks out tomorrow afternoon, and in between noon and 5 p.m. our temperatures shoot up into the upper 80s here, and we'll stop at 87 with 90 in Kingsville, 91 in Falfurrias. Much cooler near the water in Port Aransas and on area beaches, but that's typically the case. So here's what's happening. We've got this upper level low kicking out. This is the one that's going to cause severe weather up in the Red River Valley and over into the Arklatex area. And that's the reason for the wind here tonight, later on, and all day tomorrow. Then this low comes in on the back side of it. It's going to pinwheel around and come in tomorrow night and into Sunday morning. And this one will mix it up with some of this moisture coming in from the Pacific, and that will result in scattered showers and thunderstorms. Speaking of thunderstorms, the Storm Prediction Center has left us out of the severe weather. That would be in yellow, slight risk from there to Austin. The likely would be up in Waco and north and east to Dallas tomorrow. And as you can see here for tomorrow, we are just in an area where if it does rain, it would just be a general thunder shower. And again, just a marginal risk of it going severe in the northern counties. By Sunday, this is what's coming in the morning. We have a marginal risk over much of the coastal bend with an elevated risk as you get into southeast Texas. So Sunday, that'll be moving off to the east in the afternoon hours and again, improving out to the west as the day goes on. So here's a look at the rainfall, generally following the severe weather potential, which is from Del Rio to Dallas. And then a little bit down here, that's that secondary disturbance. Look at the rainfall amounts for the coastal bend, heavier and over an inch in the northern areas. You folks in Beeville, that tomorrow could be your day. I mean, tomorrow night and Sunday as far as rainfall goes, but lesser amounts as you get south towards Fremont and Falfurrias. The future tracker shows that we do have clouds and fog in the morning, but the sun breaks out in the afternoon. And then tomorrow night, here comes the rain. This is into Sunday morning at 8 a.m. And then about mid-morning on Sunday, the thunderstorms push through, and then it starts to clear up in the afternoon. So that's what we're looking at down the road. Our winds, they are going to be breezy here overnight and in the morning, and then they do pick up here tomorrow afternoon, but they will lessen here on Sunday once that pushes through. Here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, and it looks like this across the region. Overnight, we'll have the fog form, 71, 87 tomorrow, 83 on Sunday. That front Sunday night does nice things to us Monday and Tuesday. Lows in the low 60s, highs in the mid to upper 80s and dry. Gets very windy here Wednesday and Thursday of next week with that dry front Thursday, making it much cooler on Friday.